Well, I'm back. Today I will show you how to make a creamy scrambled eggs like in the hotel. Maybe you will notice when you check in the hotel and during the breakfast they serve you a very, very creamy egg scrambled. And there are so many ways to make a creamy or to cook creamy egg scrambles. And I have here 3 eggs, okay? We're gonna ready. Okay, I hope you can see. And I have here my spatula and my butter, okay? We use butter, okay? Back to the butter. You turn on the fire. My husband likes to eat scrambled eggs, so I'm gonna make him scrambled eggs like in the hotel. Off the pan. Okay. I hope you can see. I'm gonna turn again. Off the pan again. You see, it begins to coagulate the eggs, okay? And off the pan. Off the fire. Sorry. So you see. Oh. Now what we're gonna do? We're gonna add cream, okay? There you are. Now, and let's season it with salt. And pepper. So that's it. That's it. How to cook the creamy scrambled egg, okay? Very yummy. So thanks for watching, and I hope you like my video. And here's my creamy scrambled eggs.